Hey everybody, it is Shark Week. So if you come to the library, you might notice that there are some shark facts up on the wall. We might be putting up some shark decorations, and we are going to make a shark craft. So in your kit this week, you are going to get a paper plate, a couple sheets of templates, well, 3 I guess, and then a black piece of paper, a red piece of paper, and then 2 pieces of blue paper, 1 light and 1 dark. First thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna cut these templates out. Now I don't know how it happened, but when I put them in the printer, they got enlarged just a little bit. So when you cut those out, cut them out inside the black lines, make them just a little bit smaller. And then you're gonna take those templates. Now the teeth, you're gonna use just as they are because we want white teeth. This piece, you're gonna take and you're gonna cut out of the light blue piece of paper. These 3 pieces, you're gonna take and you're gonna cut them out of the dark blue piece of paper. And the templates will tell you what color each piece goes on. This one goes on the red piece, and this one goes on the black piece. When you have all those cut out, and then the eyes again, also, we're gonna use the eyes just as they are, so don't have to cut those out of colored paper. So when you have all those pieces cut out, you're gonna take your paper plate, and you're gonna color most of it dark blue. Now you can do that however you like. I just use crayons. You can use markers or paint. You're gonna want most of that dark blue. This, you are gonna take, this is going to be the lower part of the face. So you're gonna take it and you're gonna glue it on that bottom part. I'm gonna put it where I didn't put any dark blue crayon because this is gonna cover that up. Just like that. See? Now, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take this. Oops, not like that, like this. Actually, first I think we're gonna take the red and we're gonna glue it to the black, because once you do that, there's a little bit of overlap. So you're gonna wanna cut off the extra red. If you can see, it kind of goes over on the edges just a little bit. So I'm gonna grab some scissors. And I'm just gonna trim that red right to where the black is. Like this, see that? Now I'm gonna put, oops, it's a little crooked. It's okay. Now we're gonna put the teeth in there. And again, it's gonna be the same thing because they're gonna overlap a little bit. So you just line up the teeth and glue them on. Oh, I see. Once you have them glued on there, you're gonna do the same thing you just did with the red. You're gonna take and you're gonna trim it off right where the black is. That's gonna make it look like the teeth are inside the mouth. See? And then we're gonna glue that on top of that light blue part. Right where a mouth would go. Like that. Now we're gonna take those eyes. We're gonna glue those on. fin, that's gonna go on the top like a shark fin. And then these more rounded edges, those are going to be the flippers. So we're going to put those down here. Now, if you want to, you can take a black marker or a black marker or a black crayon and just make a nose right here. And then you'll have, now as usual, my glue isn't dry yet, but it will be. And you'll have your paper plate shark. Have a great day.